AI isn't just changing the world, it's creating brand new ways to make money. From side hustles to investing, the tools I'm about to show you can help you build real income in 2025. And the best part? Most of them are free or low cost. Let's dive in. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. From freelance writing to business planning to automating tasks, ChatGPT is a money-making machine. Tool number 2, Pictory AI. It allows you to create faceless YouTube channels, just like this one, without ever showing your face. Tool number 3, MidJourney. Use it to design AI artwork and sell through print-on-demand platforms like Etsy or Redbubble. Tool number 4, Runway Gen-4. Perfect for creators, agencies, and businesses who want cinematic AI videos. Tool number 5, InVideo AI. Turn your scripts into complete videos with stock clips, captions, and music in just minutes. Tool number 6, Perplexity AI. It's like Google, but smarter. Entrepreneurs use it for market research, product ideas, and writing content faster. Tool number 7, ElevenLabs. It lets you create realistic voiceovers in any language, perfect for audiobooks, dubs, or freelance gigs. Tool number 8, Stockimg AI. Use it to generate high-quality stock images and sell them on marketplaces. Tool number 9, Jasper AI. A copywriting powerhouse, trusted by businesses to generate ads, emails, and landing pages. And tool number 10, Copy.ai. Great for automating your marketing content so you can focus on growth. AI tools are like digital employees, working for you 24/7. If you pick just one and stay consistent, you'll be ahead of 99% of people still ignoring AI. So which tool will you try first? Drop it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Wealth Fusion AI for weekly strategies to build wealth in the age of AI.